The world is changing, and it is changing too rapidly.
A Prodigy's Vision, Efficient Air Conditioning, a Millennium Falcon Productions documentary film.
Global warming, climate change, ozone depletion, some of the recent environmental effects humans have caused.
Today, we are now finding ways to revert the harm that it caused to the environment, to the air, and to our ecosystem, and of course to us humans. Is it too late, or is it the start of a green revolution? Or, in the advent of modernization and industrialism, what are the effects and the results of our destructive activities?
Our emissions to the atmosphere of Earth started a phenomenon called global warming. Now the Earth has steadily been getting warmer, and it is only a matter of time before our planet's ecosystem can be severely affected. The polar ice caps are starting to melt quicker, raising sea levels.
The so-called greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun, causing Earth to grow warmer. One of these greenhouse gases is called CFC or chlorofluorocarbon. These were present in aerosols in the 1970s, causing half of the global warming for that decade. Today, it is replaced by a less harmful equivalent called HFC or hydrofluorocarbon.
CFCs were once used in spray cans but are now more limited in use because of the Montreal Protocol. Today, it is still used as a refrigerant and a blowing agent. Perhaps the most impactful effect of CFC is ozone depletion. This resulted into banning and substitution of HFC. Although HFC is less harmful than CFC, it still contributes as a greenhouse gas.
Another contributor is our consumption of fossil fuels for electricity. This results to emission of large amount of carbon dioxide, another greenhouse gas. Electricity has played major parts in our society. Some devices, however, play a larger contribution to this cause. One of them is air conditioning.
Our air conditioning technology keeps on evolving. New types, such as split-tire air conditioners, revolutionize more efficient use of electricity. But how long can we keep on further improving these technologies? How can we contribute in preventing these environmental concerns we've made throughout these years?
We need green technology, innovations that allows us to sustain the environment while leaving no harmful steps. One of these contributions is from our very own, a student from Bicol who invented a revolutionary technology, air disc air conditioner.
A Philippine Science High School graduate named Maria Isabel Angel Blanco has developed the air disc technology. It was described to be even more environmentally friendly than our modern-day air conditioner. It is said to leave minimal to no carbon footprint. Palma gained international attention for her invention, which was deemed energy efficient and revolutionary.
Hinahangaan ngayon ang isang estudyante sa Bicol dahil sa kanyang nilikhang environment-friendly aircon. Ang naturang imbensyon ay umani na ng pagkilala mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Ito ang balita ni Alan Manansala.
Opisyal nang binuksan kahapon ang 2018 Regional Science and Technology Week sa isang universidad sa Legazpi City sa Albay. Ang programa ay pinangunahan ng Department of Science and Technology Region 5, katuwang ang ilang mga paaralan at university sa buong rehiyon ng Kabikulan. Tampok dito ang mga bagong imbensyon ng mga estudyante na maaaring makatulong sa ating mga kababayang mahihirap. Isa na rito ang air disc air conditioning technology ng 19 anyos na estudyante ng Philippine Science High School Bicol Region Campus na si Maria Isabel Angel Palma. Ang imbensyon ni Angel, environment friendly dahil hindi ito gumagamit ng hydrofluorocarbon o HFCs. Ito ang kemikal na itinuturo ng mga scientists na nakasisira ng ozone layer. Matipid din sa kuryente ang air disc dahil kumukonsumo lamang ito ng 350 watts kumpara sa 1,200 watts ng isang regular na aircon.
Basically, yun po yung inspiration ko, yung mga taong less fortunate and mabe-benefit din ito, and syempre yung environment natin na kailangan natin alagaan din.
Sa halagang 5,000 pesos ay nabuo ni Angel ang environment-friendly na aircon. Ang imbensyon niya nanalo na sa mga patimpalak na kanyang sinalihan di lamang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi maging sa South Korea, Malaysia, Indonesia, Canada, Thailand, Romania, Poland, Taiwan at China. Kinilala na rin ng International Federation of Inventors Association si Angel dahil sa kanyang talento. Ayon sa DOST, may mga suporta na silang nakalaan para sa mga katulad ni Angel na young scientists o inventors.
We can provide them support in terms of registration of patent, kung nangangailangan ng mga pilot commercialization, prototyping, and even initial commercialization. Tumutulong po kami dyan. Yung DOST po merong agency that is handling that, yung Technology Application and Promotion Institute.
Hinihikayat naman ng ahensya ang iba pang mga kabataan na huwag matakot na sumubok sa paglikha ng mga teknolohiya, lalo na kung makakatulong sa kapwa.
So the advantage of this airness is that it only uses 350 watts as of now, but the commercial prototype will only use 150 watts. So compared to 1,000 watts, you will really save a lot in terms of electricity consumption. Also, it only uses the air that we're breathing right now as minimum cooling, so no chemical refrigerant. And then, the advantage of it is having a centrifugal compressor. So by centrifugal force, there will be no buildup of moisture inside the centrifugal fan. Suction goes here, and then it compresses the centrifugal compressor. So we know that when we compress the molecules, temperature and pressure double. So it produces heat. And then after it produces heat, it goes to the expansion tank. The expansion tank expands the molecule, and it will give it that once you compress the molecule, and then you expand it, it will give air. And then afterwards, it goes to be transferred like conduction and convection. So the separation of the heat and the cold air happens in the convection tank. And then the discharge of hot air will be in the end part of the prototype. Meanwhile, the cold air will be outside here. So as you can feel it, with the more convoluted air, you discharge the cold air.
This new innovation gave awareness to international community for efficient energy usage. Palma was eventually supported by DOST and even with organizations from USA. Her invention was featured in many countries, including South Korea, Romania, Thailand, Poland, and China.
Palma envisioned the village. In a recent interview, she highlighted how her invention would give the less fortunate citizens a chance to handle our inhospitable environment. This invention is a way of achieving our goals to protect our environment and at the same time making our lives easier. So how does this technology work?
The air disk AC does not use HFC, which is an ozone-depleting and greenhouse gas. Instead, it uses a centrifugal compressor and is more energy efficient, using only up to 350 watts compared to 1,200 watts for standard AC.
The air disk technology is different from the standard air conditioning units. It is an open system refrigeration cycle that operates using air as the refrigerant. It achieves this by using a compressor based on low compressor pressure and high volume of the air molecules. The air effectively replaces the need for a chemical-based refrigerant. It even requires only 150 watts for the air-conditioned electric consumption. Life has been changing in our planet. Polar ice caps are melting. More natural disasters occur such as typhoons and hurricanes. And the changing global climate has brought devastating changes to the landscape, forests, and ecosystems. Our use of HFCs, CFCs, and fossil fuels remains a struggle even today, with most of our technologies dependent on their use. These simple problems can be fixed with the united efforts for our technological progress and environmental awareness.
From simple innovation, we can contribute in helping our planet stay green and alive. Maria Isabel Angel Palma is just an example on how we can leave a great impact in promoting clean energy and green awareness. Things that today's society must really look into. Because in the end, it's really up to us to sustain the only place that we can call home, Mother Earth. We can, oh my God, wait lang. Oh my God, wait lang, nakakalimutan ko talaga. Wait lang, ulit natin yung
has developed the
Hindi.
Nag-start
Air conditioner.